Welcome to this session of Leveraging Generative AI Application Techniques for Educators and Professionals. In this rapidly evolving digital landscape, generative AI is becoming a powerful tool to enhance creativity, productivity, and personalized learning. This session will explore practical applications, real-world examples, and strategies to seamlessly integrate GenAI into your teaching or professional workflow. Let's unlock the potential of AI to empower the way we work, teach, and learn. Master industry-ready skills effortlessly with our channel, covering Python, free AI tools, data engineering, generative AI, cloud fundamentals, and more, perfect for beginners, researchers, academics, and professionals. Subscribe now, hit like, and share with your friends and colleagues to stay ahead in the AI revolution. Advancements in generative AI have redefined the boundaries of what's possible. From creating stunning artworks and personalized content to solving complex problems in seconds, AI is revolutionizing every facet of our lives. But its true power lies not in replacing humans, but in amplifying our capabilities. Hello everyone, and welcome to this session. Today we're exploring the transformative potential of artificial intelligence, or AI. A groundbreaking force reshaping industries, redefining education, and empowering individuals across the globe. Imagine this. AI doesn't just automate mundane tasks. It sparks creativity, accelerates decision-making, and provides innovative solutions to challenges we once thought insurmountable. Whether you're a parent, an educator, a professional, or a student, AI is impacting your world in profound ways. Let me show you how. Knowingly or unknowingly, all of us are using AI in everyday life. Think about your daily routine, that GPS suggesting the fastest route home. AI, the personalized shopping recommendations that seem to read your mind. AI again, even the predictive text in your messages or the instant translation of a foreign phrase. These are all AI-driven conveniences, enhancing our lives. It's everywhere, making things faster, smarter, and more intuitive. AI is contributing massively in industry and innovation. In the professional world, AI drives innovation like never before. Businesses use AI to predict market trends, manage resources, and even discover life-saving medicines. Farmers rely on AI for precision agriculture, analyzing soil, weather, and crop health to maximize yields sustainably. Designers and developers use AI to craft intuitive user experiences that feel tailored to you before you even know what you want. Integration of AI in education has revolutionized the teaching-learning process. AI is reshaping classrooms, empowering teachers, and enhancing student learning. It automates grading, provides personalized feedback, and breaks down language barriers with real-time translation. For students with special needs, AI-powered tools like text-to-speech systems are leveling the playing field, ensuring no learner is left behind. AI is playing a crucial role in enhancing human potential. AI isn't just about efficiency, it's about possibility. By taking over repetitive, time-intensive tasks, it allows us to focus on what truly matters, innovating, connecting, and creating. It enables us to make smarter decisions, fosters collaboration between humans and machines, and pushes the boundaries of what we can achieve together. The future with AI is full of possibilities and opportunities to redefine how we live, learn, work, and connect with one another. AI is no longer a distant concept. It's here, shaping our present and redefining our future. The question is no longer if AI will impact us, it's how we will harness it to amplify our impact on the world. Will it revolutionize the way you teach, lead, create, or learn? The possibilities are endless, but the potential is ours to unlock. Thank you for joining me on this journey of discovery. AI is not just a technology. It's a tool to empower us, a bridge to connect us, and a partner to help us achieve what once seemed impossible. Together, humans and AI can shape a brighter, more innovative, and inclusive future. If you found this tutorial valuable, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and share it with others who might benefit.